This is the Toolant high visibility waterproof safety jacket for men. It is available in 6 sizes from medium to 4XL. I'm 6'2", 250 pounds, and I got this one in 2XL. All right, Toolant sent me this product for review, but everything I say in this video is going to be my own opinion. And my own opinion is it's pretty warm. It's a pretty warm jacket, and I've been using it for nighttime dog walks. A little bit of light rain, no problems at all. Inside the package, you're just going to get the jacket itself. It comes in a Ziploc bag. I'll show you unboxing it right here. Nothing to it. Pull it out and it's ready to go. So as you can see, it's a high visibility, highly reflective safety jacket. It has reflective strips all over. We've got one on the front here that goes all the way around the back, a couple on the sleeves, and we've got a couple that go up over the shoulders and form an X on the back. This jacket is going to be great for this winter. It is 3002 waterproof and windproof on the outside. And on the inside, it is insulated with 180G thermal cotton. Let me show you everything that's going on here. First off, it has a really nice zipper on it. I'm always worried about the zipper. And it goes all the way up to cover the neck if you want. You've got 3 snaps right here for snapping it closed if you want. It has some Velcro on the sleeves right here if you want to tighten them down a little bit. Nice feature on this is it has a hood. And the hood is removable. It's got a zipper on the back. You can take it off. On the front here, we've got Velcro for putting it up around your neck or around your chin, which I like. And it has a brim on the front here. So if you've got water dripping down on you, it gets it out and away from you as it's dripping off the front of your head. Very nice. And you can just fold it back if you're not using it. And fold the hood out of the way or remove it if you want to. On the left sleeve here, we've got a couple of slots where you can put pens in if you want. A walkie-talkie holder on each side right here on the reflective strip. And that's a nice stitched design there. I like that. We've got a clear pocket on the front here for an ID, cell phone, whatever you want to put in here. It also has an inside pocket here too for keeping something waterproof and safe. And it's got pretty deep pockets on both sides right here that are nice. I like these. They feel good. You can see that thermal padded design. You can feel the cotton in here. It's not super thick, and the jacket itself isn't super heavy. It's actually very comfortable. And one of the things I really like right here is there's a felt strip across here, so when you've got this thing totally zipped up and wrapped around your neck, it doesn't bother you one bit. It actually feels kind of good. There you go. A nice, comfortable, insulated, waterproof, warm, high visibility jacket that would be great for maybe recycling work. This would be great for construction work, obviously for flaggers, somebody that's standing on the road in all types of weather conditions this winter. And obviously great for any type of outside worker in areas where you need to be safe and seen. Great for hiking, nighttime dog walking, all kinds of stuff. Very nice.